Welcome back to Garage 512. Really appreciate you guys liking and subscribing. That would be awesome. Trying to get better every time I record. Today I'm recording from the house, and the purpose of today's video is sort of twofold. So thing one is so that folks out there that have an X6M or any car for that matter, but when I was looking at exhaust for the X6M, there weren't very many that were out there, at least testing for the X6M. So I couldn't really tell what this exhaust would sound like. I knew I liked it. I'm pretty sure I was going to be okay, but it would be nice if there was other video out there with the Valvetronic exhaust, so that people out there can evaluate whether that's a good fit for them. So that's kind of thing one. Thing two is, I bought this exhaust months ago, and I remember getting an email from Valvetronics saying, hey, if you record a video of the exhaust sounds, and they listed some parameters, at idle, open and close, flybys, open and close, inside the car, open and close. If you record those videos and post it to your YouTube channel, and I didn't have a YouTube channel back then, but I do now, we will refund 10% of the purchase price to your credit card. All right. So I'm like, well, hey, I got a channel now. Let's get into this. Let's do this. Right. So here I am. Today we're going to be driving out to Marble Falls, and it's really pretty out there. I'm going to go have some lunch, but I'm going to record some video where it's nice and safe, and we're going to do some flybys. We're going to do some idle videos, and I actually decided to use the Meta sunglasses here, the AI glasses. They don't record in 4K, but they do allow me to have my hands free. So I'm going to record video inside the cabin, open and closed. You can hear what that sounds like. And then you can make a determination whether or not this is a good fit for you. All right. So with that said, let's get into this. Let's head it out to Marble Falls and see what this stuff sounds like. All right, let's hear what it sounds like inside the car. We have exhaust open. Let's see what the cold start sounds like. Yep, that's open. And get some gas. All right, let's do closed. Oh yeah, see, very quiet. That's where I usually like it. That's where I drive, unless it's going to be a spirited day. All right, let's keep these closed for now and take a ride. Turn that down. Don't need no copyright strikes. So this is how I usually keep this guy. Unless I'm at the track or something, I'm usually closed. I'll go ahead and switch to M2. That's full on Sport Plus mode. And we're still in quiet mode, I think. That's so quiet. And that's why I keep it in that mode. I like that sound. We'll listen to what it sounds like with the exhaust wide open here in a second. I'll do... Okay, here's the interior video. Valves open. Wide open now. Downshifts. There we go. Valves open. what it sounds like valves closed. All right, we're going to close the valves and do that same run again. Closed. What the downshift sound like here when I come up with the brakes. Yeah, very different. All right, we have the valves wide open. Let's listen to what it sounds like. Turn the radar detector on. It's a beautiful view. Yeah. It still sounds great inside. Still arguably quiet, but I think that has to do with the sound deadening inside the X6M. There we go. Well, I am back home, and that was a hell of a day. I enjoyed it. It's a fun drive. It's a pretty drive. But yeah, so now you understand what it's like and what it sounds like to have this Valvetronic exhaust on an X6M. It's a twin turbo V8. So hopefully I filled that gap because I didn't see a lot of videos out there with the X6 for the X6M with the Valvetronic exhaust. At least not exactly the same car. So hopefully this is helpful. If you think it's helpful, let me know in the comments down below. If you found it useful, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And I'm just going to leave with my usual PSA on PSA, right? Please get your yearly physicals. And while you're there, check those doctors. Make sure that on that blood form, that they check that PSA checkbox, right? You want to make sure you're staying on top of this. Be proactive. We know normal range is between 0 and 4, right? Typically, not for everybody, but typically. So start tracking that stuff, right? And remind those doctors to please, please, please check that box.